Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore EIN setup using IRS online portal easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin restoring your EIN setup, first, visit the IRS website. Look for the online services login page. You may need to create an account if you don't already have one. Click on Create Account and provide the required information. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. Navigate to the business section of the site. Select EIN online from the available options. Click on Apply for an EIN. You will be prompted to choose the type of entity needing the EIN. Select the appropriate option according to your business structure. Provide the required details about your business. This includes the name, address, and responsible party information. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid processing delays. Once you've filled in all necessary fields, review your application. Make any corrections if needed before proceeding. Click the Submit button to finalize your application. Upon submission, you will receive your EIN immediately. Download or print the confirmation notice for your records. If you encounter any issues, consult the IRS FAQ or support page. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a smooth restoration process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.